Hello, welcome to Home Cooking with Somjit. Today I'm going to cook chicken soup Thai style. So I have about 1 kilo of chicken wings. Today I'll be using only chicken wings. So I cut the wing into upper wings and the lower wings. And I have 1 head of Chinese cabbage. These are the herbs that I harvested from my garden. I have 1 lemongrass, 1 cilantro roots, some young ginger, young galangal, and I have a lot of kaffir lime leaves. Put a lot of kaffir lime leaves, it has a very nice fragrance. I have 4 limes. Limes I may not be using all, but it depends on the taste. If you want it sour, then you can put more. I have some cilantro and spring onion for garnishing. About 7 pieces of bird eye chili, red and green. Half tablespoon of salt, half tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. I like to start off with marinate the chicken. So I'm going to put just half of the salt to marinate the chicken wings. Okay, done marinating, and we can go and cook it now. So I'm going to put in about 1.5 liters of water. Then we just put in the lemongrass. I just cut into half and crush it. Cilantro roots, we just put the roots, and young ginger I've just cut it into small pieces, and young galangal cut into thin slices, and kaffir lime leaf I just put in about 10-15, and we're going to bring it to boil. For the Chinese cabbage, I'm going to cut it into 2 parts. So we're going to separate the stem and the leaf. So we just cut it into a stem like that. And the rest we just cut like that. Alright, now we can go and wash it. Alright, the soup is boiling, and now we're going to put in the chicken. So I'm going to put in the chicken. Put in all the salt. Now we put in the chili. For the chili, I didn't cut it because I don't want the soup to be too spicy, so everybody can enjoy it. So I'm just going to go ahead and put in the chili as it is. So if anybody want to eat spicy, they just simply break the chili and eat it like that. I'm going to cover the lid and let it cook for about half an hour until the chicken is tender. 3 more minutes. Look at that. Wow. See? Chicken soup looks so good. Now I can check if the chicken is soft. Okay, the chicken is tender, and now we're going to put in the sugar, fish sauce, and we are putting in the Chinese cabbage, the stem first. And cover the lid for about 1 minute. Alright. Wow, look at that. It looks so yummy. And now I'm going to put in the leaf. For the leaf, right, just put in and then give it a stir, and we can switch off the heat because the Chinese cabbage leaf doesn't require to cook too long. Alright, now I'm going to switch off the heat. Then we're going to squeeze the lime. I cut only 2 limes. I'm going to just squeeze all of them. Just 4 pieces of lime first. give it a stir. Oh, this smells so good. Now I can taste it. Wow, it's nice, but it's still lack of lime. So I'm going to squeeze in 2 more pieces. Put in about half tablespoon of sugar. 1 more tablespoon of fish sauce. This is about 1 tablespoon, yeah? Just give it a stir. Right, now I can taste again. This time is perfect. We're gonna sprinkle cilantro leaf and the spring onions. Let's try. Just gonna put a bit of soup. It is so delicious. The chicken is tender, the vegetable is still crunchy and sweet, and the soup is sour, sweet and salty with slight spiciness. This is really can boost up the appetite and best substitute for tom yum. I give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends and remember to subscribe for more of my delicious home cooking like this. Thank you and bye bye.